Khobor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilaban pun orlong e kathong kocongpi. Ke emission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel. Kadon ka degree course, ka diploma, baga advanced diploma course.
Kyrteng kanhun senrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 James Sangma ubabar uya kerdan National Vice President jok NPP unsa Thep Kyrteng nam tak Elekshon Rajya Sabha haka Tarik Jylliew arja apun rio yakane lapantip Secretary ka Assembly Malthus Sangma haka Tarik arja apun rio haka jingkran miklat thai kubor Malthus Sangma lethu bahaka jingshaw James Sangma lapantip Thep Kyrteng mentak sngi dan nakadaw jing penkre ikat gisla kumtaw lo bu sngi no ban Thep Kyrteng haka Tarik Jylliew arja apun rio.
Last date for filing nomination will be on Monday, the 8th of June, and today actually the sponsored candidate from NPP wanted to come and file, but somehow I got the information that they are yet to prepare some documents. There are certain documents which are to be prepared, affidavit to be notarized. So some documents are not yet ready, so they will be coming on Monday at 11 o'clock.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.